Okay guys, I got my little wig cap on. So this is the wig. I hope I can make it look decent. I wanted it to be really big. I'm gonna cut this right here, like just a slit, so I know it's the front. I'm gonna just slit it, you know, so I know it's the front. Okay, it is big. All right, so what we want to do is we want to just pull it out, but we want it to look good because this look crazy right now. And I didn't even know what kind of hair to get. Please don't let this be a fail. Please do not let this be a fail. Once I cut it and like get it to like do what I want it to do, I wanted it to be more of like, you guys know, like, you know what I mean, those pieces that are like out, brush them and then just like tease them. Like, I know what I want, I just need to frame it to my face. You know what I mean? This is big. I probably need more hair, but not really. This is just for a picture. I had this picture. I found this picture on Pinterest. And like, I was like, ooh, I want my hair to be like that. Do I have earrings? I don't think I do. Just to embody like that real hair. You just kind of put it together. You're gonna mold it. This is hair goals for real. Imagine, what would I do with all this hair? It's giving very much Jackson 5. I can't, where's my cord? I just need some hoops, like the big ones, and I feel like that'll just give me exactly what I'm looking for, what I'm going for. I don't even need to cut this. Probably in the back. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. This is the final product. All you do is just get you like a netted cap and then you just crochet it in there. It is a little bit difficult with that specific cap, so I would probably try like the braided caps, or they have some other caps too, but this is really, really cute, really pretty, really easy, and you only need 2 packs. So guys, this is the finished look for the Afro wig. Super cute. And I just did my makeup and took some really cute pictures. So if you guys want to make a cool Afro wig